Hello guys, today I want to show you how to add schema to your post in WordPress with Yoast SEO. So first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Head over to Posts, All Posts. Click on it. Select the post that you want to add schema to. Now, head over, click on Yoast SEO when it opens the post. So head over to Schema. Here, you're going to select the page type of your post. If it is a default post or a web page or item page or about page, etc. Search results page, so when you configure your post type here, you're gonna hear you have article type also. So you want leave it as default for post article here. So when configuring these options, your post will have chances to appear in Google search results and get rankings with Yoast SEO. So these options are necessary to configure SEO rankings for your posts on WordPress. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.